In a world where everything is connected, one thing matters most: fast and reliable solutions. Error analysis in seconds. Solutions instantly implemented. One push of the service button and a service ticket will be created. While the vehicle comes to a stop, the fleet manager can connect to it with one click. Live data streams straight to headquarters, a fault is visible immediately, the fleet under full control. The alarm hits the cloud. If critical, a case will be created, and the support team responds right away. With the experience of our technical support team and the telematics system, the defect part is identified quickly. Spare parts are in stock and already on their way. By land or by air. Short distances, streamlined processes worldwide. But service is more than fast response. It's the connection between human and machine. Everywhere, always up to date. Service means more than reacting. It's about thinking ahead. From first diagnosis to final solution. Simple, direct, reliable. Let's get connected. Be ready for the future.